Assalamu alaikum. How are everybody? I am fine. You can see the zoot field back to me. It is a zoot field that is so nice and imaging field. I love this scenery because I have grown up village. In the village life, I enjoy the natural beauty of zoot field. There, I play with my village friends and other person. I missed the boys and girls of my childhood life. You can see a dog are also sitting in the field because he also loved the field. Just I am practicing my spoken English. For this reason I came here, and I am also very love to enjoyable place and remote areas from the town. For this reason I came here. You can see the sky is cloud. You can see next to me the red vegetable field in this place. From this field there are many vegetables are going to the town because the town nutrition demand is fill up from this field. You can see also some building here because it is a generally town area, but some area having a cultural, including cultural area, because you can see the field. This area is very important to the nature and nature beauty. Many people are coming in this place. You can see some people are sitting and standing on the place. They are breathing and taking the nature of the fresh air. You can take fresh air from this place. For this reason, I come here regularly in this place and take the breath, fresh air. You can see the air also moving and going. You also see. I also দেয়ার বন্ধুরা, প্রিয় বন্ধুরা, আমি আসলে ইংরেজি চর্চা করতেছি, কারণ আমি এটা বিশ্বাস করি যে ইংরেজি জানা এবং ইংরেজি বলতে পারা দুটো এক জিনিস না। হ্যাঁ, অনেকেই দেখা যাচ্ছে যে ভোকাবুলারিতে জাহাজ। হ্যাঁ, আপনার অনেক ইংরেজি শব্দের ওয়ার্ড জানে এবং অনেক বাক্য তৈরি করতে পারে, কিন্তু তারা কিন্তু বলার সময় বলতে পারে না। হ্যাঁ, কীভাবে একটা জায়গা বর্ণনা করতে হবে, কীভাবে কনভারসেশন করতে হবে, এটা জানে না। হ্যাঁ, সেম টু মি, I would practice more and more, and you should practice more and more because English is a language you cannot deny. It is an international language. We use daily in our language, in our daily using, our daily instrument. We have to use regularly. But we have denied mouth. It's so bad because it need an essential for our future life and future generation, because globalization is depend on only an international language, because without international language the countries cannot engage with one another. I believe that.